Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best low-carb meal plan is probably one of the most effective ways to manage your weight, improve insulin sensitivity, and regulate blood sugar levels. But with so many options available, choosing the right plan can be overwhelming. This video will help you navigate the world of low-carb eating, exploring the key factors to consider when selecting a plan that aligns with your individual needs and preferences, ensuring you achieve your health goals without compromising your enjoyment of food. Number 5. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook. Welcome to the Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook. This cookbook is designed to help you create easy and wholesome meals that you can prepare ahead of time. It features simple recipes that are perfect for busy weeknights. You'll find delicious and nutritious meals that are quick to prepare. Each recipe emphasizes fresh, wholesome ingredients. It's all about making healthy eating convenient and enjoyable. Learn how to meal prep effectively. This cookbook provides clear instructions and helpful tips to simplify your weekly meal planning. It's all about creating meals you can easily grab and go throughout the week. Say goodbye to last-minute meal decisions. Discover time-saving strategies to make meal preparation a breeze. You'll find tips on batch cooking and efficient food storage. Enjoy delicious and nutritious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. It's the perfect solution for healthy eating on the go. What we like. It features simple recipes and wholesome ingredients. It's perfect for busy individuals who want healthy, convenient meals. If you value ease and nutrition, this is the cookbook for you. What people say. Great recipes, helpful meal plans, less food waste, more free time throughout the week. The recipes in the book are so simple that making them gets faster and faster each time. The ingredients are also simple. I didn't have to buy anything out of the ordinary for these recipes. The recipes are well explained and easy and uncomplicated to cook. Number 4. Weight Loss Meal Prep. Losing weight can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be a struggle. This program provides you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. Each week, you'll receive a detailed meal plan, making healthy eating easy and convenient. No more guesswork or complicated recipes. It's packed with delicious and satisfying recipes that will keep you motivated and on track. Say goodbye to boring diet food. It helps you manage your portions effectively, ensuring you're eating the right amount of food for your weight loss goals. It's all about balance. With consistent use, you'll see noticeable results and feel healthier than ever before. It's the key to a healthier lifestyle. Each week's plan includes a comprehensive grocery list, making shopping a breeze. Save time and reduce food waste. Join our supportive community and connect with others on a similar journey. Share tips, recipes, and encouragement. What we like. This one provides structured weekly plans designed for weight loss. It offers a complete system for healthy weight management. If you're looking to lose weight in a healthy way, this is an excellent choice. What people say. With a focus on efficiency, this book empowers readers to prepare nutritious meals in batches, alleviating the stress of daily cooking and allowing you to enjoy healthy options throughout the week. The meal plans are well organized and infused with a Mediterranean and Dash diet focus, offering diverse, flavorful recipes like cinnamon roasted sweet potatoes and crunchy rainbow salad that are both satisfying and easy to execute. The included shopping lists and tips on food storage and reheating make sticking to your goals even easier. Number 3. Keto for carb lovers. Embark on a delicious and effective weight loss journey with our comprehensive keto guide. It's packed with over 100 amazing recipes and a 21-day meal plan to make your transition smooth and enjoyable. Discover a world of flavor with our diverse collection of recipes. Each dish is carefully crafted to be both satisfying and perfectly aligned with your keto goals. Say goodbye to boring, restrictive diets. Follow our easy-to-use 21-day meal plan. It provides a structured approach to keto, eliminating the guesswork and keeping you on track. It's designed for convenience and success. It helps you satisfy your cravings with delicious, keto-friendly alternatives to your favorite carb-heavy meals. You'll find satisfying substitutes that won't derail your progress. This guide provides the tools and support you need to stay motivated and achieve your weight loss goals. It's more than just recipes, it's a complete system to help you succeed. It's time to take control of your health and well-being. Start your keto journey today and experience the transformative power of this lifestyle. What we like. It offers a comprehensive ketogenic meal plan with delicious recipes. It's ideal for those new to keto or looking for variety. If you are starting your keto journey, this is a great resource. What people say. Every recipe I have made has gotten a thumbs up. Very satisfying and flavorful. The ingredients are easy to find, budget-friendly, and recipes quick and easy with results that taste like they took much more time. Cooking instructions are very clear, ingredients are standard, not hard to find. Everything I've tried so far has been flavorful and easy to make. This is a nice quality book. The spiral binding allows it to lay flat on the counter, and the pages are heavy, glossy. This book is pricey, but those magazines in the grocery stores labeled keto for $13.99, and filled with so many advertisements. I've had this book for 3 days and I've eaten mostly all that you see in the pics plus protein and I feel really good and still maintained my weight. I'm going to test every recipe. Number 2. Easy Keto Meal Prep. Are you struggling to stay on track with your keto diet? It's easier than you think with the right tools. Let us help you simplify your keto journey. Say goodbye to meal planning stress. This program provides 8 complete weekly meal plans, taking the guesswork out of keto eating. Discover 60 mouth-watering keto recipes that are both satisfying and easy to prepare. You'll never get bored with your meals again. It's all about efficiency. This program helps you prep your meals for the entire week, saving you time and energy. With delicious recipes and easy-to-follow plans, it makes achieving your keto goals easier than ever before. Start your keto transformation today. Don't wait any longer to experience the benefits of a ketogenic diet. This program is your key to success. What we like. It simplifies keto meal prep with multiple weekly plans and recipes. It's perfect for those who want to streamline their keto diet. If you want to make keto easier, this is the book for you. What people say. The grocery list at the beginning of each week is laid out in perfect order for most grocery stores. No more wandering around back and forth to fill your list. Each receipt is easy to follow and comes with great replacement options if a meal doesn't suit you. There's also some great snack and treats receipts to go along. The book lays out 8 comprehensive weekly meal plans that are not only easy to follow but come with detailed shopping lists and equipment needed, taking the guesswork out of my grocery runs and meal preparation. Number 1. Super Easy Low Carb Cookbook. Embark on a delicious and healthy journey with our cookbook. It's your guide to a low-carb, low-sugar lifestyle, filled with simple and satisfying recipes. Discover a world of flavor with 1,800 days worth of recipes. It's designed to keep your meals exciting and your taste buds happy. Need a jumpstart? This 30-day meal plan takes the guesswork out of low-carb eating, making it easy to begin your transformation. Each recipe is accompanied by a mouth-watering full-color photograph. It makes following the instructions a breeze and inspires your culinary creativity. Whether you're new to low-carb or a seasoned pro, it offers something for everyone. It's packed with tips and tricks to make low-carb living a success. It's designed to make healthy eating simple and satisfying. You'll find recipes that are easy to follow and delicious to eat. What we like. It provides an extensive collection of low-carb, low-sugar recipes. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced low-carb dieters. If you need long-term meal planning, this is the ultimate guide. What people say. The variety of recipes is astounding. From breakfasts to desserts, it covers every meal of the day, ensuring you never get bored. Each recipe is laid out in an easy-to-follow format. The steps are clear, concise, and easy to understand. The recipes in this book have completely transformed my view of low-carb food. No more bland or boring meals. Each recipe is a burst of flavor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.